The Brita Elite Filter Replacements provide very thorough filtration, cutting down a wide range of heavy metals and other common tap water contaminants, so everyday drinking water tastes noticeably cleaner. Advanced carbon and additional filtration media help remove the harsh chlorine taste and smell, while still leaving beneficial fluoride in treated municipal water. Each cartridge is designed to last for roughly 120 gallons, so most households only need to swap filters about twice a year, which is far more convenient than standard pitcher filters. These filters are compatible with most traditional Brita pitchers and dispensers, and installation is straightforward thanks to the pull-top cap and no presoak design. The construction is free of bisphenol A and includes an internal structure that keeps the filtering ingredients in place, which helps prevent black particles from ending up in your glass. By replacing hundreds of single-use plastic bottles, the Brita Elite Filter Replacements offer an easy way to cut down on plastic waste while still having great-tasting water on hand.